Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a payment for your AnantaGlobalClub membership. Our membership is from month to month. For existing members, we have to make sure that by the first of the month we've got 150 Rand in our wallets to make sure that our payment has been done and we can enjoy all the benefits. So when you open up your page, it might look like this. It says, alert, your membership fees are due and you need to make a payment. So there it's going to say make payment. For first time users that log into their back office, that is going to say activate. So when you click on that, it's going to say please fund your wallet with a minimum of 150 Rand. I'm going to click on fund. Now we have a couple of options. So I'm going to go through them. The first one is called Pay At, where this is instant and one of the most popular ways to pay the memberships. So you're going to click on your Pay At link. Going to open up a page with the different banking options. Please take note that for 150 Rand to reach your wallet, you need to pay an amount of 161 Rand. That is bank charges that will be due in order to do the transaction. So from there, you can simply choose your banking option. You want to pay by card, EFT, and please take note, we have got security measures and encryption in place to make sure that all of your detail is protected. If you scroll down, number 2, you can make a payment at a store. At this stage, we've got Pick n Pay, Boxer, Checkers, and ShopRite. But you have to use your calculator. So I'm going to say I want to pay 150 Rand, and I'm going to choose Pick n Pay. And I'm going to pay by cash, and then I'm going to click on calculate. Now it's going to give me an amount. So there will be an 11 Rand transaction fee to the 150 Rand to make sure that you've got 150 Rand in your wallet. And please take note that every position, every membership has got its unique reference number that you must use. The third one is an EFT or ATM deposit, again with your unique reference number. Please take note, if you do a cash deposit at the ATM, you have to add an additional 10 Rand to cover the bank costs. The next one is a net fluid voucher that you can get from your upline that they will then buy. Should they have enough money in their wallet, they can then purchase or buy a net fluid voucher. You can give them the money, they give you the voucher, and when you put the voucher in, you are active immediately. For those of you that are familiar, you can also use a OTT voucher system. So there's different options on how to pay your membership to make sure that you are enjoying the full benefits. Thank you so much.